Folks, here's a New Holland Model 252 rake hitch. We're going to run the axle for you here in a minute. This does have a small reinforcement on, toward the back end here. It looks like it was done a long time ago. It looks like they did a good job. Don't think it's hurting anything anymore. We're going to have this one for sale right here. If you guys have any questions about it, just give us a call. This is one where you can pull two bar rakes together. You put one up toward the front and one in the back, and we do have a couple of videos hanging out there of how these work. They work pretty good for either single windrowing or double windrowing. Pretty good little 252 New Holland rake hitch. We're going to have this for sale right here.